Hello and welcome back to another exciting session. My name is Mahesh Karia. You're watching me on YouTube now, and today I'm gonna take you through kind of RESTful API with Spring Boot and MongoDB as a backend. So without wasting any time, let's deep dive into it. So you have to have one editor available: VS Code, IntelliJ, or Eclipse, whatever you like to prefer. Apart from that, you need these few things like JDK16 I'm using for this tutorial. After that, I'm using VS Code. You can grab this from here, code.visualstudio.com. I'm using Docker for the installation of MongoDB. You can install MongoDB directly inside your system as well. And Spring Initializer, you can choose this site as well to download the initial script of project. Okay, so after that, once you get this editor, if you are using VS Code, then of course you have to have these two extension packs available. Lombok as well. You also need to install Lombok, whatever the editor you are working on. And after that, extension pack, so search for Spring and this one, Spring Boot extension pack. This is essential. Apart from that, the Java extension pack is also required. That's it, I guess. And you can install Java projects as well. If yeah, Java project manager is also there. So yeah, these three things are required. So now we can start. Once you get this package, you can go to view and simply click here or search for Spring Initializer. You will get this thing. Okay, after that, select the version, this one. This is the same process that we used to work on start.spring.io. So you can choose the language Java. Nowadays we are making videos on Java. We'll make on Kotlin as well. So io.mahesh as usual, and let's name it rest for now. Okay, let's choose jar. I always prefer to use Maven. So yeah, Java 16 I'm choosing version. Okay, and simply search for web. Okay, this Spring Web. So for now I'm installing just one package. After that, I also need to tell you the few more functionalities. That why I'm choosing this Spring Boot only. So simply hit enter and select the where you want to install. Like we'll choose the desktop will be better, I guess. So yeah, desktop will be better, where we can generate the project. So it will take some time. So till then you can open this thing. Okay, and it will take some time to grab the dependencies. It will download the dependencies automatically. So yeah, we'll wait. After that, you just need to check into Java projects. Inside that you will get this thing rest. You can see here, if you you have this extension pack available, then you can see this is the same like the folder structure that you are used to work on Eclipse or IntelliJ or whatever the editor you're working on. So this is the best thing that I got. So apart from that, if you want to install few dependencies, then you can choose from here as well. Like from here, Maven, like I need to install, let's say Spring starter, I guess something. So Springfox boot, let's say. Hit enter. So it will search for the Springfox boot starter. Select this. It will automatically add the dependencies here. Okay, after that I need one more dependency. Let's save it. Okay, I need one more dependency. Just simply right click here and you will get this suggestion, add starters. Okay, click here and search for the remaining dependencies like Lombok. Enter. After that I need MongoDB. So Spring Data MongoDB, this one. This is enough, I guess. There's two dependencies. Hit enter. Okay, now you can click on proceed. Okay, let's see the changes inside pom.xml. You can see Springfox is there, starter web is there, let's say this MongoDB is also there. So all things are there. You just need to save this file and click on now. Okay, it will download the dependencies again. It will take some time. Till then we can start to code as well. So let's go to here in Java projects. Okay, and simply create a new package, name it user as usual. I like to prefer user model always. So you will get this class and annotate with Lombok. I don't have Lombok yet, so I won't get suggestion. Let's try. Okay, I got it. No logbook, data, sorry. Let's search for data, so I'm getting data. Okay, after that we need to define no args constructor and all args constructor. Okay, and after that you can start with the public or private variables, like let's say string id. Okay, and annotate with the id as well. Okay, this one. So this is it, I guess. Now we can proceed. Let's say public string name. Okay, let's say public string password. This is it, I guess, for now. Now we can proceed. Control B, and let's add the click here. And I already have, let's refresh this thing. Okay, I already have user here. Now I need to create exe. Okay, so I need to create one more file, which is, you can create package as well, user repository. Ideally this should be inside a one package, user package. Okay, but this is very beginner friendly video. So after that, here you just need to write no need to write repository. Actually, this is my interface. Okay, and which will be extended by, we can say, Mongo repository, this one. And here you need to define the name of your model, which is user, we can say. And after that we need to define the data type of your primary key. So this is it. If you are getting this thing, you can click here and you can import the user as well. So I'm not getting the suggestion. Let's see the name class user. Okay, so it's fine, it's fine. So it should be capital user. Okay, and quick fix, yes, rename it. Let's go here, let's see, everything is fine. Yes, let's click here. You can use control plus dot as well to import the package. Okay, this is it. Now looks good to me. We can proceed to the next thing, like we can add user controller directly. You can use service layer as well. This is it, and inside that you need to annotate this thing with controller. So let's say REST controller. Okay, let's use cross origin as well. If you are working on Vue or Angular or whatever the front-end technologies, you can use this cross-platform origin. You can use that. We can say request mapping will be, for now I'll be using users/users. So it will be helpful for the Docker to understand the routes of your files. So that's why I'm using it. Okay, this is it. Now we can proceed with the private variable, which will be my user repository. Okay, so user repository, that's it, I guess. Now we can create first gate mapping like this and simply define your path over here. And here I'll be creating the list. The return type will be the list of users. I'll write like this, and you just need to write get all, find all, whatever you like to prefer. So I'll be using get all for now. Okay, get all users will be better, and which will be function. Here you will get nothing, but in return you will return the user repository dot find all. Okay, so I need find all. So this is it, I guess. And let's import this list as well, control plus dot, and from Java util let's import. Okay, from here. Okay, so now get mapping, return type will be user, because this time we'll create a find by id method. So where I'll simply return get user. Will be better, I guess, to use get user, but we need a path variable here. So we can define route like this and this, where it will be my path variable. So you need to see where is my path variable, this one, enter. Okay, and the next one is, we can say this is type of string. Okay, and my id will be string. So in return I'll simply write user repository dot find by id. Okay, and id, or else if this is null, so or else we can see here I'll write null. So now this is perfect. We can grab this thing for 3 more times, I guess. For post, we'll use post mapping. So let's see, post mapping, and here I'll be using slash only. In return we'll get user, but here we'll get a request body. Okay, request body, because we are getting user from the request. Okay, okay, so this will be type of user as usual, and this is my object. So I'll write simply save method here, that's it, I guess. So save will be enough for now. So this is it. And if you get this thing, once again control plus import post mapping. Okay, let's use this for one more time to put is similar, but we can say put mapping. And here we need to first check the existing user. On the basis of that we'll update that particular user. So I'll be using path variable and both the things here. So I'll grab this path variable from here to here, and we also need a new user that you want to update. Okay, from from here to here, and this one as well. And here I'll write the id which will come from my path variable. Okay, so like this. Now what I'll do, I can find the user first. You can directly call the functions as well, it's all up to you. So yeah, first I'll find the user. I'll name it like we can say old user or current user or whatever you like to prefer. And we already have getter setters, so we will do one thing, like we can set name. Okay, and here I'll be using the new user dot get name. Okay, like this. That's why I like to work on Kotlin. We don't need to write that much of things. So here I'll be using get email and set email as well. Okay, like this. So I'm not sure why I'm getting this, but let's see. We'll go with the suggestion first. So email is already there. We are not getting email. Let it be. We'll see. Okay, the last one is we need password. Get password and set password. I think I forgot here inside user. Let's see. I don't have email, so we can say let's use email here, which will be same. So okay, and after that we can proceed to save this thing. So instead of user I'll be using old user. This is it. And now last one is remaining, which is my delete method. So inside delete we just need to write annotation delete mapping. Here you need to pass id as well. On the basis of MongoDB will generate the id automatically, so you don't need to worry about your generated value. I got lots of questions on Stack Overflow that everyone is confused between that JP and MongoDB, that I need to create that auto incremented type of ID. So no need, I guess. If you are getting the ID, why that? Not necessary. Okay, so after that we need that we can say delete user. So return type will be integer, I guess, will be better. Okay, we'll write the string, I guess, the data type of your ID, and we can say delete user. Okay, where I'll be having my path variable will be type of string. Okay, and I need my ID. So instead of this many of things, I'll simply write repository, user repository dot delete by ID should be there, I guess. Let's delete all. Yeah, I got it. So this is it, and in return I'll simply write ID. You can write like this ID is deleted or whatever you like. So this is it. You can use validation or whatever. It's fine, it's all up to you. Right, quick fix, get email. Okay, get email is not there. Fine, let's check again. Okay, this is user. Okay, quick fix, rename type user. Where is my type user? Whatever. Okay, it's fine. Let's see, this is space, I guess. Space is missing. So let's save this thing and let's try to run this thing once. So control B and you will get this thing here. Okay, this one. Just need to use, click here. It will take some time. And we forgot one thing, that inside here, my resource, you can rename it with YAML, YML, where we can write the configuration of our MongoDB. So you simply need to write Spring, okay, data, enter, MongoDB, enter. We can say database name will be test, okay, like this, and I don't know, port will be, let's say, 27017, and it should not be like this. And before that I need one more thing, will be host, will be my local host. So 127.0.0.1 will be better. And we don't need this thing, so this is control S. And we forgot one thing, MongoDB. So you don't have MongoDB, you can install it, and I have a better solution. Simply you need to open terminal and you need to set up your Docker. Once you have Docker available inside your system, then with the one click we can install the Docker, like we can install the MongoDB like with the one command. Sorry, docker run -- name of your container. My Mongo will be my name of container. First search for docker -- version after installation, like this. Okay, I already have it. Then docker run name of your container. My Mongo will be my name of container, and in detach mode I'll publish this thing in 27017 : this will be port of my laptop. You can use any, by the way, but internal port should be there always same. So 27017, this is my internal port. And after that you need to write the image name will be Mongo always, that it will automatically fetch from the Docker hub. This is it, I guess. Hit enter and it will automatically create the container. After that you need one more thing. You can use Atlas, Mongo Atlas, or whatever it may be, or Mongo Compass, but I have one more package, this one, MongoDB. So you need to grab this from here. Simply search for Mongo and MongoDB actually, and you will get this very first extension. Okay, and here once you click here, after that you will get this suggestion. You need to connect this thing, like from click here on plus, and you can connect with inserting this your string, like MongoDB dot your path, whatever you will get. Okay, your online string as well of your cluster. So this is it, and after that we can proceed actually. So you can see I don't have anything here, so we are not going to use this thing. I'm just telling you guys, if in any case you want to install, you can grab this thing from there. So this is it, I guess. Now I can proceed. I need to restart this thing. And after that you simply need to check here in localhost colon, we can say 8080 slash swagger UI slash. So make sure to use this perfect path to get here. You can see here, no need to install Postman. Okay, you can see the it will automatically generate, don't worry. So try it out, click here, you will get this empty array, or we are getting internal server here. Let's see what the mistake we have made. Like from here inside terminal we'll get okay, so this is because of auto add, that's the only thing was missing. So here we need to use auto add, okay, and control S and restart this thing once done. Okay, and let's go here and let's wait for the process here. This because of theme, this color you can use this different themes as well. Okay, so let's try to refresh this thing once again. Okay, let's go again, let's get executed. We are getting this empty array, we can see here. Okay, now I'll go to the post once where I'll be using, okay, this is also, I missed something here as well. Let's see, it should not be like this. Inside my user controller, inside my post mapping, this is my request body which is coming from different, it should not be from here, it should be let's say from annotation from here actually. Let's use this thing. I'm still not sure why we are getting email like this. Okay, let's see, let's restart this thing once again and let's use this thing, refresh the page, and this time we'll get the perfect parameters. It's taking time to restart the things. Okay, let's try once again. Inside post, now you will get this thing in suggestion. So let's remove ID from here. Let's use mahesh@gmail.com. It's not my ID. Mahesh is my name, right? Mahesh@123 is not my password. Okay, execute. Let's see. Yeah, we got it. With you can see the ID is auto generated. So if I go to here, if I search this ID over here, you will get, okay, you just need to click try it out, paste your ID here, execute. You will get the single object instead of array of object. Inside put will do the same thing, put your ID and just simply pass something else, like instead of, we can grab the same thing with different format. Just I'll be using @ symbol before everything, so we'll know that everything is working fine. So you can see the data is updated successfully, and if I go to find all now, you can see inside here, if we try it out, execute, you can see everything is updated. Okay, this is our updated results. So put is also working fine. Now I need to test one last thing, which is delete by ID, same as delete by ID. You can use validations. Okay, so data ID is deleted. If I go here, if I try this again, you will get the empty array. So there are few validations you have to add here inside put, that if you get the name, that what you have to do, email. So rest of the things is all up to you. So thank you very much all of you guys for being with me, supporting me all the time. It's been pleasure to be here. Please let me know inside comment box what you want from my side, and please consider to subscribe my channel if you enjoyed, and please like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.